I'm afraid to touch anything.
Oh yeah. Way to figure. Oops, yeah, I better watch where I'm going.
So you get the cars in the garage and
Right?
stack them up.
Yeah, stack them up.
Double your space. We're on an incredible collection here. Just unbelievable. This is just one of the buildings. The gentleman definitely likes his 70s Chevelles. He's got 1, 2, and 3 sitting right there. And the airplane stuff is amazing. Your Petrolania stuff all through here. And just some incredible stuff. I love the old service center sign. It's one of the speed shops I'm familiar with growing up here in California. P38 model, big B24 back in the background there. Some other stuff, just unbelievable. Let's keep walking along here. Our group has stopped here. This is our first stop. Oh my gosh. And then of course another Chevelle there. Camaro there. This is blowing me away. I mean, I know. This guy's, yeah, this is unreal. Geez, this is incredible. We'll have to upload this later. But there you go. Just to start.
Yeah, was it Texas color? That is crazy.
Okay. Plugged in the microphone there. Just taking it all in. This is just one room. It's taking up some stairs.
That's a hard one. That's the only one of those I've ever seen.
I've never seen that. I've seen
Okay.
one that looks like an airplane.
Let's move along over here. Sheesh. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I don't have hardly any stuff.
An incredible place. Incredible place. And this is only one of the buildings so far. We'll see some more here in just a few moments. This is Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing for the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Cruise, brought to you by California Car Cover. Check out some more stuff later.